In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your Shopify store name quickly and easily. Whether you're rebranding your business or simply updating your store identity, Shopify makes the process simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Shopify official website. Click on the login button and sign in using your Shopify email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This section contains all your store details and configurations. Inside Settings, click on General. Here, you'll find important information about your store, including your store name, contact details, and business settings. Look for the field labeled Store Name. Click inside the text box and type the new name you want for your Shopify store. After entering your new store name, click Save to apply the changes. Your Shopify store name will now be updated across your admin dashboard and customer-facing areas of your store. If you also want your website address to match your new brand name, you may need to update or purchase a custom domain separately inside the Domains section of Shopify settings. Before changing your name, make sure the new branding fits your business and is easy for customers to remember. And that's it. You now know how to change your Shopify store name quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.